Alright, live on Twitch. Let's see. I think usually at about 15 seconds or so, we're live on YouTube. This time it's a little longer. Okay, 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Alex. I'm doing some nice work before work, as always. Before we get off to it, we have to have our nice little sip. I've got some Earl Grey straight from the gift shop of Canterbury Cathedral. Actually, really awesome for gift shop tea. I'm super impressed. Got one of these when I went to England on vacation a couple years ago, and my fiance, my lovely, beautiful fiance, bought me another one of these for Christmas. So thank you, lovely fiance. And sip. Okay, so oh Jesus, I don't know why this happens, or if this actually shows up on stream. Oh shoot. But like right now my OBS is showing everything black. let me check. Okay, the YouTube. All right, definitely it's black. Yeah, the YouTube took a second to catch up with me. Fuck, this is really annoying. Give me a second. I have to go like refresh all of these things. This one. There we go. That one I just have to click on. But my webcam, it's a pain in the ass. I don't know why. It like takes a lot of like finagling. Okay, so let's get into it. Today, we're going to be doing some fun stuff. You know, we've been adding Auth to our little app here with this sign-in screen and stuff. And that has been able to add users to our backend in Supabase. Let's pull that up just because we're going to need it. So we've got our Supabase here. Yes. When, now that we have that, we should be trying to go enter or create a session out of that, enter into the normal part of the app with with the user as part of state. So we need to figure out how to do that. I think we want in here somewhere. Okay, so create a new user. I think it's possible. This doc I'm not a huge fan of because it feels like a marketing doc. It's not like, it doesn't really tell me that much about how things are working. Like if I sign up, will it sign me into? I don't think so. I find that hard to believe. Signups call for blah blah. Fetch currently logged in user, get user. I don't know. Yeah, like this, I'm not loving this doc. But like the API itself seems pretty simple though. But alright, whatever. Alright, we're just doing email password for now. We will F around with this other junk some other time. Get user claims from Druid. We will not care about keeping users signed in for now, while I'm just effing around getting the this like base version of it to work. Okay, here we go. So shall we try this? Work. Okay. So let's see. So if we do sign in, we will try session. Expression of type session is unused. Let's see if that like throws this error or not. I think the hey buddy. I think the way that the iPhone simulator debug build thing works here is that it is going to like it'll crash out if I get an error thrown. We can see though. We'll see, I suppose. At some point, I do need to figure out how to like hook up the debugger to my little dev loop here, because I think, like I said, the Xcode command line tools seem very underbaked for getting me useful information. All right, let's try some stuff. So let's do foo at bar.com. We'll do foo bar. Oh yeah, that's not secret. That's fine. All right, so we'll do sign in. Didn't crash out. Does this have the ability to show me like the errors and stuff? Because that would be nice. That would be nice, wouldn't it? Slow animations. Oh, open system log. Oh, let's see here. Let's see. Contacts, autocomplete. Not throwing an error. To this at least. Oh, yeah, it doesn't look like it. Okay, well that's good to know. That's good to know where that is. About console. Oh, did that open up a separate app? Oh, I guess it did. Let's see. Oh, hello, Rabbit. Okay, someone wants to go say hi and be on the stream for a second. So we will let her. Where's my camera? Say hello. Say good morning to everybody, little rabbit. Say good morning. Ow! Hey! Why would you do that? Alright, well, you're in your good, snuggly position for when we're doing our work. That will have to do for now, okay? We will do cuddles later, I promise, buddy, I promise. Okay. Alright. Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to you too. Your son had a bunny. That's nice. That's very nice. This is Squash. She's a Netherland dwarf, but she did not inherit the dwarfism gene. so she is quite the big chungus, big squungus we call her. What kind of bunny did your son have? Also, yeah. What are we doing here? Return the session. Let's try. Can you like log out this thing? How does this work? Log. She's black. Yeah, black bunnies are very cute. Bunnies in general, extremely cute. Okay, we'll just try wrapping this in a log and see if Apple was able to. No. Let's see. What actually is this returning? Let's see. Public var session. Okay. A session. Let's see. Auth. So this has a bunch of stuff in it. Oh, look at this. Look at this. So I guess we can try to print out session.user, I guess. Is this or we'll do user.session session.user.email. Should we try that? Is this the right one? This is not the right one. Try wait. Oops. Log supabase.auth session.user.email. Okay. Didn't like that. Got string. Is there not a log string? With log string. You've got lit vibes for real. Yeah, I'll tell him that Lizzie sent me. All right. Okay, let's see here. I see that my chat participation's a lot better when the buddy's on stream. Okay. Let's see. So is it OS log? Is that right? Let's try Swift UI specifically because we wanted to just dump wherever it's going to here in the simulator thing. So let's see. Yeah. Oh, look. I guess it's OS log. In Mac. All right. Well, we'll try that, I guess. Do I really need to provide this like Tom here? Anyway, whatever. Okay. Let's try that. OS log T log. Okay. Oh, am I missing the import for this? Yeah, because this really smells like it's not for iOS, that this is a Mac OS thing. I hate logging. Logging is the worst. If you're just setting up for the first time, there's always some kind of stupid thing going on here in the logger. All right, well, we'll ask Mr. AI here what it wants us to do. How to log a string Swift UI iOS simulator. Okay, let's see here. So what does it want us to do? Print. Print. Yeah, that would print would have been a good second try after log, wouldn't it? Okay, expression implicitly close. Yeah, whatever. Good enough. Okay. All right, let's see here. Build succeeded. That's always good news. LSP is not yelling at us super much. So let's try here. So we'll do like, what was it? Food, a bar. Oh, I need to go turn off my fan. I'll be back in 1 second. I have to put my feet just so that the rabbit and I can have our be warming each other up. And what was it? Food bar? Yeah, something. And if we open up the log, where that was, sign in. Yeah, that does not seem to be logging any errors or anything at all. Okay, so let's try running it through Xcode and see if it prints out to somewhere useful, right? That's wrong. That's the LS. That's SourceKit doesn't know what it's talking about. Okay, so yeah, let's try this. Let's try this. But yeah, this white background is very bad for my my chat my chat here. Let me see if I can CSS. Okay, I have to figure out how do I get like a text outline. Well, we can just like W3 it. W3 text outline. We'll do like, if I try like a outline 1 pix black, will that work? Oh, that did not work. Oh no, it blew everything away. Oh fuck. That sucks. Alright, I'm gonna leave it like that for now. These white background websites are killing me though. They're killing me. Okay. So where's Xcode? Where is the sim? Let's make this a little easier. A app B dot C A. Alright, sign up. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Initial session emitted after attempting to refresh the local storage session. Okay, so they are changing something. That's good to know. And then that did not print squat. Did not print anything. Dagnabbit. Should I pay attention to this warning? That's not how I build. Pretty sure Command R was the right one to rebuild, right? Okay. Connection has no local endpoint. So we're not even getting to like it's not doing that print. That's very annoying because I want to know how do I like get this this session object and use it, because it looks like this is sticky, that like my Supabase session is persisting past me doing like rebuilds here in the simulator. Okay, this text freaking border is really bothering me. Let's see if we can go just find one. Text shadow 1 pix. Haha. Ha ha ha. Should we try that? That is a ton of stuff there. Text shadow. Okay, there we go. Yeah, we were looking for one that has black. Let's see, when that redraws it, that still looks pretty bad. Alright, fine. Stupid white backgrounds. Alright, okay, well that didn't work at all. Oh. Oh, come on. Works in simulator. Command Shift C. Is that not what we're looking at right now? Yeah, that is what we're looking at. I'm very confused why that is not printing at least our fail condition there. What's up with that? What is up with that? It's probably because it's the async, that it's like not working. Um, let me see. If I do like a await, oh no, this has no await. Try await var session equals. Print session dot user dot email. Oh, didn't like that. Okay, what does it not like about that? Okay, what the hell did it do? If let user equals auth dot current user. Okay, let's see if this works. We pulled the roulette, boys. Oh, snap, look at that. That looks like the session to me. Invalid login credentials. I thought that user was in the table now though. A B dot C. Oh, did it not like that because it's it's not a real email? What? Oh, come on. What a weenie. Where's the refresh button? There it is. Really? Okay, oh, I have to make a new one. God damn it. Okay, what's the one I have in my stupid example code here? Because that should still be in the database. So example at foo.co example dash password. God, I hate not being in, having to run through this piece of shit. Okay, what is going on? Example at foo.co example dash password. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's cool. So that did get us in. So Supabase Auth was blocking that that fake one, that like bullshit email. That is really weird. Also, look at that. It does not like my watch band. This green screen effect. Okay, well that's good to know that that works now. Okay, so I guess if that works, then we should go in here. Try await sign in. Yeah, then we should go into category view, right? Does that work like that? Alright, let's try this. Example at foo.co example dash password. Okay, so that didn't bring us to the next screen. Because that's what I'm trying to figure out. Is like, why is that navigate to category view? Oh, Jesus Christ! Why is it generating so much shit here. Oh, oh God, Lord. Oh my God, this is getting ridiculous. Um, Holy crap! Is active inside preview. Fuck. Oh, AI, why do you do this to me? Okay, so let's see for different navigation style. Oh, I don't know. Let's see if this is functional. I am not happy about it though. Okay. Oh, that does work. No. Oh, well that did work. Okay. I guess that got us there. I guess so. So now we should, we want this to be like the session to be global. We want the session to be global so that I can go grab like the UUID or whatever from anywhere. I think I think it already is because it should be an auth.current user. Yeah, so I don't think I need to do it. I just so I just need this. I want to figure out how this navigation link crap works because that's probably how I should be doing stuff instead of these terrible popovers. They're really not good. Okay, let's figure this out. Have navigation link inside a stack or split view. Do label. Okay. So, but I'm confused, like how this. So this just like does it by itself, or like what the fuck is this doing? I just do not understand. Insert a hidden navigation link that becomes active when did citing sets true. Yes, okay, I understand. Resolves more ensures the user snap. That is like such a. That is like so weird. Oh God. Oh God. Not happy, Bob. Not happy. Me and my fiance have been watching Twin Peaks over the last couple weeks, and so the name Bob has taken on a whole new meaning for us. Damn, I really have to figure out what to do. Dark backgrounds are not good because my hair color is just too dark. I'm like blending in. Twin Peaks is pretty good. I have to say, it was a like the first season and a half. That was peak like ridiculous soap opera and awesome David Lynch stuff, and then it slowed down for a little bit, which is pretty common understanding, I think, because like peak yeah, that's two peaks there. Because like I think David Lynch and his and Mark Frost stepped away because they were beefing with the network for a little bit, but then like at the very end, they come back and it's pretty awesome. It's pretty good. And we just watched like the movie after that. We're gonna go watch season 3, the revival show now. I don't know. There's some crazy stuff happens in that show. I'm excited. I'm excited for finishing up that program. We gotta finish up this program today first. So okay, I just like totally scrolled past this. So what does this do? Overview. People tap a navigation link. So it seems like the navigation link is default some kind of like button, like a wrapper button, or that you're putting an effect in, but it just assumes that you're gonna go into like this thing. So that's the that is like the like it defaults to like some label here. This is the view we're going into, I think. Um, but I guess it has this like magic way to do it too, where you can go is active based on a bool. That is pretty whack, yo. Pretty whack indeed. Um, but I'm not really sure what this empty view part is doing. Um, let's ask Mr. Jippity here. What is the empty view doing on the nav link? Is the label? Oh, I see. I see. That is making it invisible. Okay. All right. Excuse me. Okay, that is a little interesting there. All right, that's fine with me. And look, I don't really want any of this junk. Do sign fail. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think we want to really do that. Yeah, we'll leave that in there. We'll leave this in here. Oh boy, we got another bot to ban. I love these guys. I need some Twitch mods too to handle my view bot blocking for me, because there's at least one a stream. It's kind of crazy that they get you even when you're like a one viewer Andy. I don't know. I guess that's their target audience. Okay. So okay, that's pretty much doing what we needed to do now. And I don't think I need to do any more effing around here, right? Yeah, we'll go kill the sim that this is running. Okay, so let's get back in here. Yeah, it does not like this. Use navlink value label. No. What is it saying? Navigation destination. Inside a navigation stack or navigation split view. Stream very rarely always get them. Yeah, it's very annoying. I wonder, like, because like these guys have to be blocked like all over, right? How does Twitch not catch all of these? There must be just too many of them coming from somewhere. I'd be interested to see like who is running all of these like viewbot bots. It's very bizarre to me. Okay, so let's go into we want category view, which is this one. No, that's list view. Oh, it's not. Oh, okay. No, it's this one. I think we want to move. This should probably go out somewhere. More common. Like here, I would say. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything failed from that. Yeah, that definitely should be out there. I'm just gonna dump all my like global defines into like this root.swift. I don't think that I don't know like what the pattern should be for that. It seems like you cannot find item in scope. No, you found it. You found it. It seems like basically everything's all inheriting from each other. Like however the well, I mean they're all global. But yeah, it's not like the Swift compiler seems like smart enough to go parse, or it's probably pre-processing through all of that stuff. Maybe, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. So let's see here. So when I init this, I assume they get Ansible 3M on Wednesday. Yeah, it's very possible. Yeah, I'm not privy enough to how the innards of Twitch work. We'll have to go on a Theo stream for that, I guess. Those guys probably know. Because it's like, it's so weird. How are they? How does so many of them slip through? They probably could catch a lot more of them, or if they're not already, with like the email, like forcing you to validate your email. I don't know. It's just like, it's just annoying. Okay. So we want on init now, or actually, first of all, let's commit this crap. We're trying to do that. Able to sign in and get to cat view. Okay. I really have to create a better keybind for that, because that's just like too many leader key macros to to get through that screen. Okay. We want on init of this stack, we want to go into Supabase. We want to try and fetch all of the data for so we want to fetch data. We want to grab everything where all of the lists that have the same user ID as we do. So we'll try that. So where do we do that? Where do I on like init of this view? On entering a view, try to, how would I try to fetch data from Supabase to populate local stuff. Let's see here. Oh, my favorite when the acronym starts showing up. Okay, let's see here. Is loading. Okay. Group. I'm not really sure what group is. Too many things. Okay, so from posts. Okay. What is that? Simple. Why is recommended for real apps? The fuck does that mean? You want to reuse fetch logic. You have linear empty states. Okay. All right. I gotcha. Quick tips 2026. Yeah, we got that. Okay, so let's see here. So they call it and then this is the view here. So all right, let's go write some stuff. Do we really need to make a class for that? Because it's got this state. Oh, that is so annoying. I really would rather not. Who owns that state right now? Is that in this view? It is in the view. So where? Yeah, I need to figure out like where is this like calling stuff on init? Oh, let me move this chat down a little bit because I can assume pretty much always I'm gonna have that stupid top bar from Mac there. So that looks a little nicer. That looks a little nicer indeed. Should we make that a little bigger? How about that? So it'll cut off to just above my head. Okay. How's that look on the code screen? That looks just dandy. Okay. So what is this doing? So this has some conditionals, and that's telling it which of these like different views to load into here. I don't really want that. I'm okay if it just like screws around for a while. Dot task. So is it okay? So if I give this a dot task, it'll do this whole thing, or dot on appear. Okay, so let's try dot task. So for is that for like the whole thing for the V stack? Let's see. So dot task. You cannot find code. So okay, try await. Oh, where's that Supabase? Oops. No, we already have that defined. So we want lists. Oops. So we're gonna try to set it equal to Supabase from lists select, and then we want it to based on key. Filtering. Here we go. Select. Then we want dot equals something. User ID value auth dot current user dot ID. Okay. Select. All right, we want from list select name. I'm pretty sure it's name. It's name or text. It's something stupid. Okay, it's name. Good. And what else do I need in here? In item list. So I need the ID, the name, and the array object associated. Oh, that's right. I was gonna redo that because it's having these two things be separate, and then this is like a freaking pain in the ass. Like this is a mess. Let's see if we can just figure out something for now. So list equals value select name ID. It might have to be in this order. Okay, so it really didn't like that. Really didn't like that at all. To non-throwing, cannot assign type value. Dot load post. So what is it doing in here? Let fetched equal. So I get my question is how do I coerce How do I coerce like my data type from this thing into like, where does this guy have post? Let ID define your model must conform to codable/decodable. Which I don't think this one is. Yeah, okay. Well, let's try to make it into an item list post, because that is like the actual thing. Lists. List test. We always love list test. To do. And then let's see. So we'll do let that. No. Okay, it doesn't like that. Try await. That looks pretty much. That looks pretty similar to what I'm doing here. Generic parameter ID cannot be inferred. Really does not like what's going on here. Let's say, shall we try ignoring Mr. LSP for now? See if it breaks. What say you? Says not today, sir. Not today. Alright, we got like 13 minutes left. Let's see if we can get this ball rolling here. We are pretty close, I think. Okay, I want you to tell me what the hell any of this stuff means. Cannot convert value of type void. So, but I thought that's how I actually. Oh, what the fuck did it just do? What did it just do? Oh, it wrapped everything in a do. Okay. Okay, so that, all right, fine. How, I thought that this one is dot value is actually doing it. Decode into. Oh my god. Oh, what is it doing? Oh, it's adding so much stuff here. Okay, so they are explicitly doing that for type checking, fine. Okay, but it doesn't like that. LSP still doesn't like that. Fuck, I cannot even tell you like what it is I hate this. This is like really irritating. Got decoded. Is that not how? That's not what it says in here to do the dot value. What's up with that? Decodable. Is it that I'm not making this type def is not decodable and okay, there we go. That definitely could be it. Let's not do that. Okay. That does seem like it would be a problem. Oh, the UUIDs really need to. I need to fix that because it's like a total disaster right now. Let's see. It's like really cold because I had to turn my heater off. So I put my little slippers back on. Okay, not liking what we're selling here. Alright, let's go back in Xcode and see what the hell this thing wants. or maybe maybe this should work now. Oh yeah, look, cause what the hell did it do? Item list post. Like, yeah, we don't want that. I think the dot value is just like that, actually. No, and then this is, oh, okay, wrap this in a try. All right, fine, good enough. Okay. No LSP errors right now. Ugh. I say, ugh. I really need to figure out how this thing works still. How to get something useful out of this. Where are the failures? Oh, look at that. We don't want that. So there's some sort of unmatched curly brace somewhere. Why did it introduce that? That is not good. That is not good that AI is not doing what I tell it to. All right. All right, cool. Build failed. Excellent. Yeah, it doesn't see any in here. Nope. Oops. Okay, now it's just not even telling me what the problem is. Is we have to give this a second because that's a fake error. Okay, we gotta wait for this to do thing. So, all right, let's build through Xcode. Oh, failed. Fuck. Why? Missing argument for parameter ID in call. Oh, okay, because yeah, we have to generate it. We'll just do ID equals 0. Oh, okay. Yeah, we will just do it there for now. Let's see here. Oh, I'm floating a little bit above the corner. Let's fix that. Just you, and I. That is some lovely Twin Peaks content. Okay. Then we'll add foo.go. Why don't I make it easier to remember one? Test at gmail.com. Okay. Did that not work? Sign in failed. Oh crap! Is something like blocking this table from getting stuff? Man, I'll have to check that some other time. We'll just use the one that we've been using. Okay, so we're in here. No. So yeah, it didn't. It shouldn't have grabbed anything. But is there a way I can see in this debugger, like in the memory of this view, assuming that is how it works. What? No, stop doing stuff. I want to see in memory where this object that I tried to create lives. Okay, you know what? The easiest way to do this would be to figure out how logging works. But we're gonna try. We're gonna do the way where I actually changed this to item list post. We'll do that, and we change that to lists. And we comment this out, this crap. Okay, immutable valuable. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. Yeah, so this might create some kind of race condition, something where it's, you know, it's not waiting for the thing yet. I don't know how the re-render works on this screen. We'll figure it out. We've got 2 seconds here, so let's try. It succeeded. Like, love to see it. Oh god, I have too much crap open. We don't want that. Oh no. Oh no. Where did our thing go? All right. Okay. All right. Let's do that. The add category. Oh no, I broke that thing. Oh god damn it. Okay, you know what? That's all we have time for today, unfortunately. Fetching list. Oh no, that's item list post. Terrible. All right, that really needs to get fixed for next time. Yeah, same here. Time for me to get to work. Cynical Sorceress, I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Anyone else who watches this VOD or anything, you as well. That is the end of our stream for the day. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Have a